everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven, and thank you very much for joining me today. Today I am so excited to be sharing the first kit from Made to Surprise by Sam Callcott. So I was asked to make some samples for this edition. So this is the first one and it's called Made to Make Maker's Edition number 1. So it comes in this box and it's got all the Made to Surprise colours, and then it gives you the idea of what's coming in the kit. So you can, I believe you can purchase this on its own, or you can subscribe to the kit, and I think it's every quarterly, I believe. I'll put all the information down below if you want to go and read about it or get your hands on the magazines. And I'm not entirely sure if you can get this one anymore. Don't count me on it. As I said, you'll have to have a look in the info down below, but I know that you can subscribe for the next one, which is February. And it does give you a preview of what's in the second one as well. So I got asked to make the samples, some samples for this. So in the kit you get the little booklet, we get some A4 paper, so I'm going to just get these out and we can take a look. We will have a look inside the booklet in just a minute. So we get some scenes, which I absolutely love. So we've got these 3 different ones here, and they are, I think these are the DL shapes. Then we've got the 6x4, so we've got all these beautiful scenes that you can make with the stamp sets that come with this kit. I've just noticed that they're double-sided, so on the back of this one it has the flowers. Then on the back of this one we've got this design. We have this one, and look how bright those colours are. Very much Sam's style. This one's cute with the strawberries and the flowers. Then we've got this one and the hearts, and this one, that's cute, love that. So there is actually 2 sheets of each design, so which is good. So there we go, that's the papers. Then you get a stamp set, an embossing folder and a die set. So I'll get these out and show you. So we have the 8-piece die set, so you can make a toadstool with that. So you've got one where it's just the outline, and then you've got the inside, the inner part of that mushroom, and you've got smaller ones here as well. We have the A5 embossing folder. So again, you've got the toadstools, you've got some leaves, and yeah, it's so cute, love it. And then we have the gorgeous stamp set. So we have all the different gnomes. We've got the toadstool house, and then we've got all the different toadstools, flowers, butterflies, leaves. Then we've got the sentiments. So we've got to know you is to love you, sending much love on your birthday, a friend like gnome other, from our gnome to yours. And then we have I'll be there for you no matter what. So how cute is that? So a really nice little kit that comes with this edition. And we have the booklet. So we have the welcome from Sam, and we've got all the different contents. So it's what's coming in. We've got cards from Sam, and obviously we've got all the step-by-step tutorials as well. And we've got some from Monica. So beautiful cards. I won't show them every, thoroughly, because obviously people might want it to be a surprise, but I will show you mine. So these are my samples that I created. So I love these, how they turned out. So that's that one, and then we've got the step-by-step on how to create this one. We have this one and that one. I think that one is so cute. I just love how all these turned out. And then we've got the craft along with Sam, so it's a catch up with her. We have here is a bit more of a description of the subscribe for this kit. And we also have our lovely Gemma as well. So she's created a scrapbook layout on there. And then we have some gift bag and a 3D scene gift box. And I actually designed this a few years ago for a Simply Made Crafts sample. So there is actually a tutorial on how to make this, of me designing that, and I'll leave that link down below. So Gemma did tell me that there was a project that she had made for this, and it was inspired by one of my tutorials, and that's it. And I think it looks great, so love it. And then we have the self-closing gift box. So there we go. That is the first edition of Made to Surprise kit, and I know that a lot of people have been asking Sam for this, and for the first one it's absolutely brilliant. I loved it, and I'm so thankful for Sam for asking me to make some samples for this, and I'm looking forward to hopefully working with her magazine kits in the future. So as always, I'll link this down below, and also I'll link Sam's channels down below as well, and also the video on how to make the gift box also that Gemma had done for this sample. But if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and also if you are wanting more from my channel, then you can click on the join membership on my YouTube channel, which you can find in my YouTube profile, and just click join and it will tell you all the things that you can have from this channel for 99p a month, and I hope that you will all join me on that as well. So till next time guys, take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.